Hello from a fellow traveler. I am not a climate scientist. I am not a policymaker or an expert with special credentials. I am simply a person, a concerned soul living on this fragile earth, deeply aware that we are lurching toward a perilous future. And like you, I have everything at stake. The climate crisis is no longer a distant possibility. It is here now. And if we damage our atmosphere and biosphere beyond a certain point, it's possible that no human, no animal, no plant, no form of life may survive. We have waited too long. And now, the next 5 years are critical. It may already be too late to simply reverse the damage. But that doesn't need to be the end of the story. For over 40 years, I have studied metaphysical philosophy. I have meditated. I have taught and facilitated groups in spiritual practice. And in these teachings across the ancient wisdom traditions, across Theosophy, Agni Yoga, and the works of modern seers, I found something extraordinary, a different kind of power. A way to work not only with policy, technology and science, but with consciousness itself. A way to call on the invisible energies of the cosmos to influence life on Earth through thought, through beauty, through spiritual magnetism and group ritual. This channel, Climate and Consciousness, is my humble offering. It's not a set of answers, but a call to explore, to practice, and to build in the visible world from the invisible world. And if you feel called to this work, then this channel is for you. Together, we'll ask, what if the climate crisis is not just physical, but derives from a crisis in human consciousness? What if our separation from one another, from nature, from soul, is the root cause of planetary destruction? And what if the real solutions require a spiritual revolution, a leap forward into oneness? Here is what you can expect to explore on this channel. 1. The revolution of consciousness. Why separation is the root cause of our planetary destruction, and why we need to evolve, fast, toward unity and shared purpose. 2. Working in the invisible. Emotions, thoughts, intuition. These are real forces. And they shape the world more than we realize. 3. Spiritual techniques for change. Creative thinking, affirming beauty, meditative visioning, and group ritual to heal, uplift, and build a future more in harmony with life. 4. The power of group work. We'll explore how consciousness is amplified in community and how small circles of focused intention can ripple outward with world-changing effects. And so I ask you, why are you watching? Is it curiosity? Concern? Hope? Or maybe, like me, you want to do something. You want to serve. You want to help save life on Earth. That is idealism, yes. But it is the idealism the Earth desperately needs right now. And it is not naive. It's bold. It's practical. And it's actionable. Saving life on Earth is not only the work of governments and scientists. It is your work. It is my work. It is the work of all of us. Thinkers, idealists, visionaries, meditators, builders in the invisible. And it begins now. Join us in the journey of climate and consciousness. Let's listen to nature and to the voice of the silence. Let's envision. Let's build. For the common good. For the Earth. For all life.